going to be unboxing this brand new
I survived through the struggle. I survived, had to hustle. I survived. Look at me, yeah, I'm alive. Yeah, that's right. We survived all the pain. We survived all the doubt. We survived. Yeah, baby, we alive. We alive.
The standard Crazy car runs on a 24-volt system with a 250 watt motor and makes a top speed of about 12 miles an hour. Inside the box, there's the cart itself, some tools, a flag to go on the cart, which I never used, and obviously some instructions. My plans for this car are to change the color, upgrade the battery for more ride time and a higher top speed, and get some sweet tandems in. The car is looking sweet and works well just spinning around my garage. I need to take a few things off before I'm ready to ride, like the warning stickers, other labels, and the stabilizing posts, so I don't get caught on curbs. Anyway, that's enough talking. Let's get riding.
Come on. You ready for this? I'm about to drop in. You should record it. Ready? Oh no! No, I saw like 8 golf carts over there. I'm not doing that. We should go. Wait. Oh, darn, actually, never mind. I've done it. I've gone through the tunnel over there. Have you been through that tunnel? It goes under the road. It's fun. No. Just on my bike. It's cool though. Oh, I thought there was too. Put higher speed on this? Oh, is it time to switch? Okay, wait. On the verge. Oh man. It's kind of fun, but it's kind of not. Yeah, that's why you always see me flying into stuff. wait, I can't do that. I'm gonna spin the tire.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
What? I forgot. It spins the tire still when it's like that.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Oh my! Oh! Ow! I'm sorry. Yeah, we can switch back now, or else I'm gonna accidentally do it. I didn't try to. I was trying to stop, and it started sliding. Wait, where? Wait, where? Oh no, no, no. Okay, wait, what's the start?
I've been on the road.
Oh,
I've
really?
been doing shows. Now we eating steak. Remember sleeping on
Hey,
the
he
floor.
said he's right there.
Still
We
at
gotta
the
say
gas
hi.
station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch him take my dog away. It was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day. All this blood on my clothes.
Oh.
Outside every day. Green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young.
Crazy
Die
jump.
too young. 100 miles per hour, might
Or
crash
wait.
cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone.
Hey, buddy.
Back home. Coming back home. I'm back where I left because I know my people needed me.
Nice.
Diving
Wait,
in
slow
the
down,
rough, I
slow
don't
down.
know what
Hey.
it is they see in
Hey,
me.
buddy.
Go down as a legend in my city cause we beat the streets. Trying to spread the wealth around the block. No, I can't keep from me. Told me I should leave. I see the bigger picture and it's way bigger than me. Can't be living like a king, but my people need
Are you okay? Your mom's waiting for you. You're just...
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.